Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dannelle and this is Doshi Beauty. Today we're going to go ahead and do a two-part series. I'm going to go ahead and link the second video up here on the tab somewhere so you can see it. But today we're doing a flawless face routine using Drugstore products. So this is kind of a new one for me. I felt like my videos weren't really giving you everything I wanted, so we're going to kind of try and divide it up. And I'm going to show you how to do my face, and then y'all will get to see the look on the eyes and the lips and everything in a separate video. So, yeah. It's definitely a new style for me, and I want to know what you think. So if you think that this works out better and you get a better, walkthrough of the process, definitely let me know. We all know, if you know me, I'm a gabber. I talk a lot. So, before we get started, if you haven't visited my channel before and this is your first time and you want to see more content from me, definitely click that little subscribe button down in the bottom, and the little bell will notify you first whenever I make new content, so that you can head on over and check it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video and I will show you how I got this look. Alright you guys, this is the final look. So as you can see, it's not too complicated. I feel like it's a lot of steps. Like I've been in here since 8:30 this morning. It's now 10 o'clock. That's just how it goes. I will be doing some other videos, especially with us getting close to summer. I am a pool junkie. I am outside all day and I don't know what I'm going to do with this new blonde hair at the pool this year, but I'm going to do a whole video on, you know, easy summer makeup using, I don't know what to do with it. Using CC creams and tinted moisturizer and waterproof makeup, just so you can go to the pool with confidence. Don't let anyone talk you down. I will go in full glam if I have to. The pool is my place. But I'm gonna go apartment shopping today, so I gotta go. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.